Erizoba baroya ba Molly Katanga bayongera kufitera tocho omubujurizi obwareserwe director wa polisi erukujunanwa ahabinkumu kandi nibagira ngo akakora enshobi okukoresa ebyome bya karimagezi ebyabire bikozere ebya Europhonics version ina akatonyoza not mushanju okuchebera endangamuntu kandi obwo habire hariho ebyome bisya.
I would like to correct say there was an up-to-date free software and you elected to use an outdated expired software.
My Lord, I would like to confirm that it's not expired because it's not even in the document. There is no expired for these releases. It says release.
So what do you call that then?
You used an out of date.
No, it's not out of date.
And you said so. Yes. What word would you use there?
So we used an earlier release software. I used version 4.0.7.
Yes, but before that
4.0.7.
Yes.
And after that there was a version called 4.0.4. Is that correct?
Now there is a problem here.
Hona baroya nibagira ngo kukoresa ebyoma ebitashikire ebyarugire mwaka bisigaza niko kureta results ezabire zikoresibwe karimagezi ezabire zitari hamutindo.
Can you confirm that it is absolutely not a billion times more likely that Molly contributed more DNA than Henry?
A major is a major, a minor is a minor.
No.
Yes, he has told you one thing. Once it is a major, the term they use is a billion times more likely. I think it is a technical term.
No, my lord, he has thousands in this report.
Unless there are,
you
said there are others you could use.
My Lord, he has skipped all the way to the end of the analysis.
Okay, let's go slow, but at my pace with my questions.
Aba bayongera bagira ngo mu kuchebera obujurizi aha pisto akabaha abantu abandi abo DNA yabo yashangirwa hantamba syoko eya pisto ni yemwe.
Okay, let's put it like this. Is it correct to say that from these alleles we are seeing DNA contributed by an unknown person?
Yes, my Lord.
Belongs to someone else.
We don't know where that document came from, the authenticity of that document, and the witness is not the author of that document. So asking him questions about a document that is not authored by him is wrong procedure.
No, it's in his spirit.
Let him answer what he
because
can.
he is in the field of DNA, not of software.
Bwanyuma Justice Isaac Muwata yagira ngo mushango ogwo nugwija kugumiza munyencyakare kuhororwa kongera kwetegereza obujurizi gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza.